Good morning, my name is Go Yang, and I'm going to be doing the demonstration of the lab 2 for COA. So this is question 1. We will be debugging it line by line. So for the first line is move AX var1. So we will move, for this line we will move var1 into AX. So as you can see here in watch, when I press F11, we will move 1 into AX. So the next line is move BX var2. We will move var2 into BX. So as you can see, it will move the var2, which is 9, into BX. And then for this line, exchange AX BX, it will exchange the value in AX and BX. So when I run this line, the value in AX and BX will exchange. After that, for move var1 AX, you will move the AX value into var1. So as you can see, when I run this line, the value of AX is moved into var1, as you can see here. And then for this line, move var2 BX, we will move the value in BX into var2. So as you can see in watch, so var2 value will be the one that in BX. And then for this line is called dump register, which will dump the value of the register in the command prompt. As you can see in the command prompt, we got the register, the value for all the register, and you can see in EAX the the last four digits is 009 and 001 as we got in the watch as well. So that's all for question 1. Move on to the next question, which is question 3. So for question 3 is multiplication. So we run it. Okay, so the first line of the code is move EAX to move EAX var1. So we will move var1 into EAX. So when I run this line, the EAX value, the value 5 will be moved into EAX, which is the register. And then for this line, mount var2 is actually multiplication, where the value in EAX will multiply with var2. So var2 is 10 and in EAX is 5, so we get actually 50, but in hexa is 32 or 32. And then after that, we add EAX var3, which is add var3 into the value in EAX. So var3 is 20, so 20 plus 50 is 70, in hexa is 46. And then this line is decrement of EAX, so it's minus 1 of what is the value in EAX. So when I press it, the value we got is 45. So that's all for this question. I think there's one line missing, which is called dump, but I think that's fine. Next is question 5. Okay, for question 5, we are given this code snip set, and then we have to write the whole code for it. But I already did it using the template that we set before this. So I will just run the code. Okay, so the first line of the code is move dx 0. This is actually just to clear the the value that's stored inside dx, because for this, this multiplication, we will use dx ex, which how to use it. So we will arrange the value of our result in dx ex. So you want to clear the dx first. So there we can see that in dx is cleared to 0. And then after that, we will move the line, move ax 100h. We will move 100h, which is hexadecimal value 100 into ax. As you can see, in AX is 0, 1, 0, 0. And then after that we is move CX 25H. This is move 25 hexadecimal value into CX. So as you can see, and then after that we will multiply with the value in AX with CX, and we will get the value of the multiplication in AX. So as you can see, the multiplication result is 2500 hexadecimal, which is I'm not sure what's the value in decimal, but yeah, that's the multiplication value. And if the value is more than 4 bits, it's supposed to carry over to DX, but since for this multiplication it doesn't state 4 bits, so the value is only in DX. So the last, okay. So that's all for my part of the lab for lab 2 COA.